Hello and welcome to another Year 5 spelling lesson. You'll need a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. If you've got one, you might like to have a dictionary to hand, but don't worry if you haven't got one. Okay, I'm going to ask you to try and write 2 words which were on this week's Monday motivation spellings. These are tricky words that don't follow a particular pattern. The first word is rhythm. The second word is rhyme. Okay, hopefully you have written these down and you might have used our little ditty to be able to help you remember. Rhythm has your 2 hips moving. Now you might like to look at this one for rhyme, because a rhyme helps you and me. That's how I thought we could remember rhyme. How about the word recommend, which was another word you were given this week? Recommend. Do you remember a few weeks ago in our spelling lesson we looked at short vowels and double consonants? Short vowel, double consonant. O gives us a double mend. You can see that this is our prefix making recommend. Okay, let's have a look at our main focus today. We're going to look at a group of words that end in the same end pattern or suffix. Try writing these words down. 1. Considerable. 2. Noticeable. 3. Adorable. 4. Reliable. Can you hear how they all end in the sound able? But hopefully you have written the spelling pattern A-B-L-E. Now, there's a good way of grouping these words because sometimes the ending changes slightly. We're going to look at these patterns today. Try pattern 1, these words. Write these words. Enjoyable, comfortable, considerable. Hopefully you've written these down and you can see you have your root word simply followed by A-B-L-E. to give you your words. Try these. It's a slightly different pattern. Pattern 2. Write these words down. Changeable, noticeable, knowledgeable. Hopefully you've written these down. Can you see that the pattern has your root word but they all end in E and keep the E before adding A-B-L-E to give you those words. Okay, try these words. Adorable, believable, miserable. Now this is pattern 3. Hopefully you've written these answers. Noticing that adore ends in E, E ending, misery ending in Y. Now you drop those vowels before adding able to give you your words. Finally, try these. It's pattern 4. Enviable, reliable. Can you see that your root word, envy and rely, both end in Y, and you need to drop the Y, turn it to an I, and then add your ending, A-B-L-E, your suffix ending, to give you these words, pattern 4. Let's have a little think about the word knowledgeable a bit more. It's a very tricky word. You might be able to write that down now. Knowledgeable. Hopefully you've got this. And you can spot that there are 3 words inside it. Know, ledge, able. This might help you remember. 3 words. You know you can walk up the ledge because you're able. Okay, Do you know what word class all those words are that we've been dealing with today? Well done if you said adjectives. They are indeed adjectives. You know that if you're changing the beginnings and endings of words, you might be changing your prefix or suffix. Can you change these adjectives into an adverb form? How would you do that? Well done if you said all you have to do is swap LE for LY. Most adverbs, single words ending LY. Finally, prefixes often change the meaning of an adjective to the opposite or antonym. Here's an example, 2 examples here. Have a listen to this word, tolerable. Can you write it down? Tolerable. Do you know what it means? You might want to pause the film to use a dictionary to look it up. Tolerable meaning to be able to bear something. Which prefix would you add to the word tolerable to give the antonym or opposite, meaning not able to bear something? Well done if you wrote intolerable. There's your spellings and with your prefix. Okay, finally, another word that you were given last week on Monday motivation was recognise. Can you write that down for me? Recognise. Ends in eyes, like lots of the sound eyes, like lots of verbs. Recognise, apologise, organise, advertise. Just wanted to show you something. ISE is the English spelling of those verbs. Oops, is that upside down? I don't know. Because American spelling has IZE. You might want to remember that with I speak English. Okay, hopefully that's a good set of spelling patterns for you this week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.